Now in stock at Glendale Presentation Solutions, we have this Multigraf DCM-45. This machine is suction fed and is a Creaser perforator. One of the many benefits of this machine is it has a 450mm feeding width, allowing SRH3 sheets to be fed width and lengthways without any problem. Suction fed system, allowing the machine to run at incredibly fast speeds of up to 30,000 sheets per hour. At the other side of the machine we have 36mm steel shafts. As we can see, this machine is configured with 2 crease units and a perforation unit. These will be supplied with the machine, allowing double creasing in one pass and perforation. You can add up to 4 creases to one pass and 4 perforations as well if required. Very easy setup. Using the ruler here, you can see whereabouts on the sheet your crease would take place. So we can move them very simply just by undoing the grub screws and moving to the position that we want on the sheet. We have individual tension for each roller. You can increase or decrease the tension depending on what sort of crease or perforation you want. Very simple to operate machine. That switches the motor on, which runs the shafts, and this button here will switch on the suction. The machine's feeding there, and it will feed very fast up to 30,000 sheets. Switch that off. And if you can have a look there, perfect there. No cracking on the spine. Perforation. That's 350 gram digitally printed card. Perfect results.